Immigration Law and Justice Network and UMCOR have a rich history. We have deep Methodist roots at our organization. We were actually founded by UMCOR as a program of their agency in 1999. And this was in response to a growing need for immigrants and congregants, community members who needed information, quality, safe, trusted information on their rights and their options as immigration law was changing at that time. And since then, we became our own 501c3 in 2013. At that time, we were known as Justice for Our Neighbors. And then over time, we've stayed close, strong partners.
We're in a very difficult part of our history right now. Migrants and asylum seekers and refugees are being attacked. At this moment, UMCOR has stepped up with ILJN Network to respond to the moment. Some of the things that we're doing right now in partnership and with the support of UMCOR funding is having an attorney that will respond to our network. We have over 200 legal workers, and our consulting attorney is educating our network on current immigration policies under this administration. Additionally, UMCOR has provided bridge funding for our sites that are serving unaccompanied minors. The government is stripping that funding, and thanks to UMCOR, 500 children in our network will continue to be represented and have an opportunity to remain safely in the United States.
Every human being deserves dignity and a chance at due process. And so the church is positioned so uniquely right now to raise that voice, to offer a different way of being, and to give us all courage in a moment that requires us to step up and say, this is not normal, this is not right. But even more so, my God says something different to me. And my faith tells me to extend a hand, to extend my table, that we don't need walls and barriers to separate each other, but in fact, we need each other. We are interdependent, and our very lives, our freedom, our happiness, our joy is dependent on loving our neighbors and being connected to our neighbors.